I hear it every single day. So many people complain, hey, how come there's no under $20,000 travel trailers that are 20 feet in total length and don't have bunk beds? Well, here's an example of one. 2026 Forest River EVO 164 is 20 feet 2 inches in total length, comes with 2 propane tanks, an area to put 2 batteries. Coming over here, the gross vehicle weight is 3,865 pounds. The dry weight is 3,139 pounds. So most of your SUVs can tow this. Not all, but most. So coming around, it's 30 amp coach. It does have a fresh water tank, gray, black. It's prepped for a backup camera. It's prepped for the Lippert ladder. It has longer rain gutters. Now, this is actually built in Oregon. So they actually build a bigger, tougher roof because they know there's snow in the area. And they really have built this for the Pacific Northwest. But we took it on because, shoot, it's pretty well built and it's better than the Coleman. So you have a on-demand hot water heater, storage. It's got the port for the side solar, power awning. Now coming inside, I'm going to shut the door here. You got a walk around queen bed. Now, the only thing is this side is going to be a little harder to get in because they decided to actually give you a actual closet space. A lot of manufacturers that build this size do not give you this. They don't give you the shelving. They don't give you the charging area. They don't give you the nightstand. They don't even give you the above storage. So they put a lot into this, and it'll be $19,000. That's what we'll sell them for. Now the sticker will be like 32 grand, but we're going to sell them for $19,000. See, just got great storage, nice kitchen counter space, 2-burner stove, no oven. So they wanted to save on weight and cost, and they've started to figure out that the super majority of RVers don't even use the oven. Can you believe that? I can, because I've taken a lot of trade-ins over the years where the oven, like the other day, I just saw a 2005 Bounder motorhome, really good shape. The oven was never used. 2 owners, the oven was never used. The stovetop was used. You could tell the stovetop had been used. You could tell that the outlets were used pretty well because there was a burnt outlet right here, so they probably used like a air fryer. So yeah, very interesting. Now, it does have a furnace. It runs on propane. Well, at least the heat source is propane. It does have the Coleman Mac air conditioner, a spot for television. The other really cool thing compared to other manufacturers, including Coleman, is you actually get a bigger window. So if you go look at a lot of the cheap $12.99, $11.99 trailers, they have very limited storage and they have limited windows. So you get the L lounge. And this is literally a couple's coach, guys. This is not something you're going to sleep 4 people in. You can sleep maybe 3 if you got a small grandkid with you or something. Bathroom's really nice. Lots of storage here that's been built in for the bathroom. Counter space. Decent sink. Deep shower. So it's in, I mean, I personally like this floor plan. I think it's going to be probably our #1 seller to couples because a lot of people are looking for small. There's a look at the pass-through storage. A lot of folks are looking for small, lightweight, and folks don't want to pay $40,000 for a single axle couples coach. They don't want to pay $30,000. You know, we found that out with Forest River EVO. We had $25,000 and $26,000 single axle trailers that were really well built. Nobody bought them. Why? And by the way, there was a 2% profit margin in that. So we weren't making any money, and yet nobody would buy them. It's because this is the price point right here, 19,000 and below. This is the price point. This is what everybody's looking at. So if you have any questions or you're interested in purchasing it, the website is in the description box below. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see another small single axle travel trailer that I think will actually work good, that's comparable to this. Until next time, remember that RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.